Good afternoon, everybody. Short video here. I am doing my refrigerator vents on the sides. You know, they have the hose. I'm putting screens in them. The reason I'm screening it is I don't want no mud buggers or any other things coming in, mice, whatever. It's pretty simple. What you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to get. I got the Camco, the flying insect screen. It's the RS500. The reason is, if you see it, you have ones that are straight down. This one's kind of curvy, which doesn't really matter, but what you need to do is, they come in 21-inch strips and you need something like 8. So what I'm doing is, as you can see here, I'm installing this one. I'm overlapping it a little bit on the corner. I'm not putting it straight on. Then here on the edge, let me show you this way. Where is it at? Alright, I'll do it this way. Just like I said, I'm overlapping a little bit. Then what I'm doing is I'm coming over here and I'm literally marking it to where a little indentation is. Right there, I'm going to cut it with a wire cutter. That way I can make it fit. So it's the closest one. And right here. Try to do it as hard as you can. Alright, so you can see I broke it off. They come with little ties, but you don't get enough of them. And there's only, it comes, there's a 3. So I had to get 2 packs just to do one, because mine says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I got another vent I gotta do, so I'm gonna have to purchase one more pack. But it says put one on each side. I'm putting 3. I'm putting one in the corner, one in the middle, and one in the other corner, just making it sturdy. This one here, you see it's a little weird, because what I did was the little piece that saved from one cut, I was able to put them together. You can't tell the difference. So I'm putting the big middle piece against the plastic, line it up, and then just zip tie it up. Alright, something that I learned. Remember I told you to overlap them on the edges? Don't overlap them, because this edge here is the same size as this. And as you can see, just pushing it in, scraping. So this is the other one. And what I also did was, I put silicone on the end, as you can see, so there's no gap on either side. Can you see it? Just a little bit of silicone. I ran out of zip ties. I'm gonna have to purchase some so I can go ahead and finish this one. But it's just easy peasy. Put it in. See how easy that was? And that's it. And if you look from the bottom, voila. You see, there's the grills. And the other ones, you see there's nothing there, nothing. And then, bam, there's the grills. Hope you liked it. And if you have any questions, let me know.